When current Zimbabwe National Army ZNA Commander Lieutenant General Walter Tafumani was appointed by President Emmerson Mnangagwa in November last year to take the charge of the army and the return of the barracks, he was a man on a serious and delicate mission. Sarabina Mashkobran watching the silent coup, removal of Miniota Baloi, and the shifting sense of succession power struggle in Zimbabwe. And subscribe or like on the bell icon. Jimna the news of Samdoj Rajiti. His main brief, coup proofing the vulnerable commander-in-chief against removal by army, and in the process, boot out Vice President Minnie Chiwenga's wife, Colonel Minutabo from the influential position, the highest field ready rank in the local army in the military intelligence. Baloi is a colonel in the Military Intelligence Directorate, which is part of ZNA. She has now been demoted in the military intelligence to an undefined at which ZNA role, Commander's Post, as it is often colloquially referred to as. Tafumani arrived with that mandate from Mnangagwa and an even more difficult task to stop Chiwenga. It is part of the ongoing fierce Zambia succession battle and coup-proofing strategies by Mnangagwa to protect himself from being toppled in a coup. The Newsbox and other media organizations previously pointed this out. Politicians also did. Former ZANU-PF National and West Provincial Chairman and Independent Northern MP Inzwa warned Baloi was going to be removed from running parallel structures. Jonathan Moyo, the self-exiled local professor of politics and former minister, raised the red flag about a VVIP leaking sensitive information from state security institutions for political and functional purposes, touching the veiled fire of speculation that he was referring to her. This followed the leaks of Justice Minister Ziyambi itinerary to Nairobi, Kenya for consultations with Moyo over constitutional amendments in the intelligence risk assessment, and then followed media reports a few days ago that she had been sidelined from a high-ranking position in the military intelligence for political reasons. Baloi's role carried specific operational military intelligence duties and responsibilities. Her political rivals have been uncomfortable with this, saying a dual role as a high-ranking military intelligence officer and second lady, Chiwenga's wife, when her husband harbored presidential ambitions against her own commander-in-chief, was untenable due to her access to classified, sensitive, and strategic information. Insiders say her reassignment is part of a broader internal power struggle and shifts between the Mnangagwa and the Chiwenga factions. Toma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe pina comment section medu za furo enyi matu ndi pamsoro pezvitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.